In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and then scroll down to Settings. Here in the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the Privacy and Security. Now, Firefox by default gives you an enhanced tracking protection. Okay, so you have three options here. Number one is the standard, because this option allows cookies needed for most websites to function properly. Because if you choose the strict, what will happen is some cookies may be blocked and cause website issues, and we don't want that to happen. So I want you to go to the standard for now. And if you want to have a custom setup, you can choose which trackers and scripts to block. You can do so, provided that you have a technical background or a coding background or expertise in using all these. Okay? Now, another option that you can look into is to manage cookie exceptions. For example, I want to create an exemption for this link. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. Now go to Settings and click the Manage Exceptions. All right. Just type the website URL and click the Allow and click the Save Changes. And basically that's it on how to enable cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.